Good morning, YouTube. We're here at Johnstone Model Railway Exhibition. Just looking at this massive 1:10 scale replica of a ScotRail Mark IIe first open coach, built by apprentices at Springburn Works way back in the day, with fully detailed interior right down to the carpets and upholstery. That's quite an amazing. Let me just stand back, let you have a better look at it. Quite an amazing model. I love this model. This is a Tam Shugley by Falkirk Model Railway Club. We've got a couple of Thomas characters here. Oh. There's James the Red Engine passing through the station with Oliver and Doc in the station. I think that's early the underground going through the tunnel there. We've got a bit of Harry Potter going on here. There's Hogwarts in the background, and you've got the famous triple-decker bus from the Harry Potter series there. Moving on, there's Harold the helicopter. And down in the docks, here comes Stepney the Bluebell engine, and we've got Bill and Ben there. Some of the more modern Thomas characters. We've got a Lego layout here. I'm not sure what I'm controlling that. That's the tram, and there's a monorail on the high level tracks. There's sort of miniature zoo railway going up and over the zoo there. And there's Percy the green engine running around. There's a lot going on in this model, with working funfair rides as well. Here comes James. Now this layout's by Renfrewshire Model Railway Club. We've got a couple of Great Western engines there, and we're just going to follow this southern locomotive. Port St David. Sounds Cornish, indeed. So going from O gauge to N gauge now. This is Leven Bank by Glenrothes Model Railway Club, with a ScotRail Sprinter in blue and carmine and cream. Carlos Rail Class 66 in the background. Dilapidated. I love this. You've got a shed. The roof's fallen in. It's all overgrown, dilapidated. That's no longer connected to the main line. That's interesting. GRS Class 68 in there. And we've got a Freightliner Class 70 on a container train all the way over there. This is cool. We've got a live steam Mammoth engine running around here, as well as the third rail triangle on the inside track there. So this is Bad Ellisberg in Germany. So hopefully we're going to see some German trains going on. I'll just move over here. I think I see one coming. There's a little branch line train with the okay, so this is Pearston by Air Model Railway Group. There's some BR Blue era trains. We've got 37255 there. Running light engine with sounds. So the reverse is going to go back into the station. I love the authentically squeaky horn. Back it onto his train there. Behind Blue Era ScotRail, mixture of Mark 1 and 2 coaches. Western Scottish bus in there. Moving up a couple of sizes here, this is the G scale stand. Cameronian Railway Thomas.
No, but see, that's the one British stuff, we don't have any, because G scales are all German or American. So it's hard to get British stuff. You've got to get on.
LGB German engine there with the British Railways badge, and then Ringling Brothers and Barnum and Bailey American Circus train, which is definitely an interesting combination. Percy going by there. Let's look at the rest of this layout. We've got there's a house on fire here. Bobby's Sawmill. Oh, here's Thomas. Stop it here. Great name for a station. Well, there's interesting. G-scale Strathclyde Transport Class 101, which I have a feeling is probably scratch built. And there's the circus train coming back again. I think there's a wedding going on at the church there. So this is Glen Moor, and I think someone needs to call the Coast Guard because there's a car falling into the sea. Lots of good cameos on this layout. There's a house under construction. All very nice and normal, and then if you look way over there, we come over here, there's an X-wing. It's crashed. Something a bit humorous. Now we're going to see some trains. Okay, there's a train coming. Which looks like a Derby type 2 there. I can't read the number on it. That's 25245.
Yeah, right.
So this is Fullerton Junction by Kyle Model Railway Club with the diesel hydraulic. Very busy out this. There's a class 37 going by in the opposite direction. This is a tiny train here, T gauge. The pass of Killycranky up in the Highlands. Beautiful bit of scenery there. And it looks like we've got another German layout here. Papageistadt. Yeah. With it's got an airport. It's got tanks on the road, moving road vehicles, and trains. Lots going on here. Here's a train coming now. Bit of freight.